Hello friends and welcome back to another nail art video. Today's nail art is for really short nails as I broke two of my nails doing some garden work, so I had to cut short the rest of my nails also. And today I'll be sharing one really easy trick to create these kind of nail art. For this all you need is a plastic lid and some nail polishes. So over here I'm going to use some of the Christmas colors like the reds, greens and golden color, and I'm going to create these kind of small patches. So this is just the base color that I'm using, and I'm going to add some of the glitter colors or some of the shimmer polishes on top of this so that it gets a little bit of sparkly look. So on top of red I'm going to add a red shimmer polish, and on green I added the green shimmer polish, and on yellow I added a gold color. For the last color I didn't have a matching shimmer polish, so I used a glitter polish, and in this manner I am going to create these swatches and I am going to leave it to dry overnight. The next morning I peeled off these. These were nice and dry and they were still soft enough, and I used a scissor to cut thin strips. I used a puncher to create some circular shapes, and I also cut some of the thin strips into smaller bits to get a confetti like appearance. And then I'm going to use all of these and create my nail art. So even if you don't know how to draw or how to make nail art, you can use this technique and still get some abstract kind of nails. So the first one is this simple strip kind of design. So I'm going to apply a white base polish because these colors pop out over a white base, and I'm going to simply place the strips. You can add them in diagonal shape, or if you want them straight you can put them straight also, or even horizontal. So in this manner I'm going to create the first nail art. So once all the strips were placed, I am going to trim off the excess polish. So you can use a scissor to trim it off, or you can simply press the sides and the polish will just break off because the nail polish is really thin. And then you can add a little bit of nail polish remover on a cleanup brush, and you can clean up any excess polish on the sides and tap the front part so that the nail polish sticks properly. And then finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and this very easy striping kind of nail art is done. Now coming to my thumb, I used the circular shapes and some tiny confetti to create this nail art. For this also I applied a white base polish and I added the circular shapes on top. You can add the full shape, or if you want you can place it in a manner so that only a part of the shape remains on the nail, and you can dissolve off the remaining of the shape later on. And then I also added some small confetti kind of nail polish bits to fill in the spaces in between. Once you are happy with the placement, all you need to do is take a brush and some nail polish remover and dissolve any excess nail polish on the sides, and this also helps to seal in the sides. Finally you have to put a layer of glossy top coat or matte top coat, and this design is also done. Now coming to my little finger, because the nail is really thin, I decided to use only the confetti bits. So again I'm going to apply a white base polish, and I'm going to apply those small cutout pieces and place them randomly to get this abstract kind of nail art. You can add only a few pieces if you want, or if you want you can also pack it up a little bit more as I'm doing to get that colorful burst. And in this manner I'll be finishing off my little finger also. Once all the confetti has been placed, the final step as usual is sealing up the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. And on my middle and ring finger, which were actually broken quite badly, so they are so tiny, I am going to use whatever remaining bits I have. So over here I am going to apply a light pink polish as the base color, and I am going to place all the confetti bits and also some circular shapes, and I am going to finish off my nail art. So in this manner on my middle finger I placed some circles and some confetti, and then using some nail polish remover I'm going to dissolve the excess on the side and seal in the design by using a glossy top coat. So in this manner you can easily create this colorful abstract nail art design. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.